The Flagella stain is used to determine whether a bacteria sample contains flagella, a characteristic that can help in the identification of an unknown culture. Place a drop of water on a microscope slide approximately 1 centimeter from the edge. Next, heat and cool your inoculation loop. Then, obtain a sample from an isolated colony of your specimen. Lightly touch the sample to the drop of water without touching the slide. Do not mix. Tilt the slide at a slight angle to allow the drop to flow to the opposite end of the slide. Place the slide on the staining rack and allow the slide to air dry at room temperature. Do not heat. Holding the Flagella Stain dispenser upright and with the tip pointing away from you, squeeze gently to crush the glass inside the dispenser. Then, flood the slide with the Flagella Stain. Allow the stain to remain on the slide for approximately 4 minutes. Carefully rinse off the stain with water. Do not tip the slide as flagella are very fragile. Then, gently tilt the slide to allow excess water to run off. Allow the slide to air dry at room temperature. Add a drop of immersion oil and observe using the 100x lens of the microscope. An example of an organism positive for this stain is E. coli.